How to dispute a copyright claim on YouTube. Within your YouTube studio, go over to the left-hand side and click on the Content tab. As you can see, this video right here has a copyright claim. If I hover over it, there's this bubble and I can click See Details. So the claim is on the song I used in the video. So if I hover over this, I can click the three dots and I can choose to dispute it. So these are not valid reasons for a dispute. So I'll check that my dispute isn't based on any of those reasons. Click continue. Then you can choose one of these 4 valid reasons as to why you believe you should be allowed to use what has been claimed. So for me, I use music from a website called upbeat.io, so I have a license to use this song. So that's the option I'm going to select. Continue. And then it gives you some more information. Not all licenses are the same. Be sure to provide a copy of your license agreement and look for any country specific or usage restrictions. So if you still believe that you have the right, click I have permission to use the content from the copyright owner, click continue. So in this section, the rationale, I'm going to provide them my license code so they know that I have the right to use this song. So here is my license code from Upbeat, and I am going to review the statements. My video does not infringe anyone's copyright. I understand that the claimant will be able to review my video and my dispute rationale. So just so you know, this dispute isn't going to YouTube, it's going to the person who sent out the claim. That is the person who gets to decide whether or not the claim stays on your video. And then I understand that filing fraudulent disputes may result in termination of my YouTube account. So once again, make sure that you actually have permission, because having a copyright claim on one video isn't the end of the world. So there's no point in potentially getting your channel deleted over one video. So I'm going to check that box. My signature, it says enter your full legal name, usually your first and last name, not a company or channel name. So even though this is on my Direct Tech channel, I'm going to type my name, which is Olivia Henry, and then click submit. Dispute submitted. Disputes will be sent to the claimant for review. YouTube does not review Content ID disputes. The claimant now has 30 days to review your dispute. If they do not respond within 30 days, the claim will be released automatically. We'll send you an email to let you know the outcome. So if the claimant doesn't respond in 30 days, you automatically win the dispute. And if your channel is monetized, while the dispute is in progress, YouTube will hold all the money made from that video. Once there is a decision on the dispute, whether the claimant keeps the claim on the video or they release it or the 30 days runs out, once the dispute is settled, the money accumulated during that time will go to the winner of the dispute. And that is how you dispute a copyright claim on YouTube.